Hi dears, observe this question. I think SSC CGL. Observe it. Algebra topic, don't confuse. X power 32 plus 1 by x power 32. Of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms are there. So what we need to find actually? Find the simplified value. I don't want numerical value. I want only the simplified value. Of course, so many options are there. According to that options, you can give the answer properly. Actually, it is very easy. I think so. Observe it clearly. Here we have x power 32 plus 1 by x power 32. But if you go for a general situation, I need to go for the original, equal powers. Where are the equal powers we have? That's my intention. If you observe it properly, for these two terms, x plus 1 by x is there, x minus 1 by x. Logically, by a for only these two terms. Okay, x plus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x can be. What will happen? For these two terms only, don't confuse all of you. X square minus 1 by x square. Why? What is the reason behind it? For these two terms, it can be a plus b into a minus b. Nice. I got these two terms value. Then what about remaining values? Of course, we don't have a equal power whenever you have x power 2 and 1 by x power 2. That's why. If you observe it properly, I want very near value. If I apply a whole square for this one, don't go for whole square. If I apply a whole x power 2 whole square can be x power 4. But if you observe properly, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 already is there. That's why. If I have one more formula, one more particular situation, x square minus 1 by x square and x square plus 1 by x square, then it becomes x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4, right? Come again. X square minus 1 by x square will be there. If I multiply with x square plus 1 by x square, it will become x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 reciprocal value. Yes or no? Or if it is plus, I need to go for minus value. If I have minus value for this one, it will be again a plus b to a minus b, right? That's why. For these two values, I got x square minus 1 by x square value. If I have one more value like this, x square plus 1 by x square, then it becomes x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. Okay. How to get x square plus 1 by x square only extra? So whenever you don't have value, we need to take like this. For example, if it is a plus b is there. For an example, for your comfort, a plus b is there. I need to go for plus c value extra or into c value. I don't have into c value. That's why into c and by c will be applied. The same way, I don't have x square plus n by x square value for these total values. That's why I can go for division and multiplication for only these two values. Don't confuse me. For these two values, we are getting x square minus 1 by x square. Again, I am going for x square plus 1 by x square by x square plus 1 by x square. If I multiply and divide these both terms, I can get what we can get, x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4 value. Okay, what is the use of this one? If I multiply these two terms, I am getting this value. If I go for x square plus 1 by x square into x square plus 1 by x square value, there is no value. There is no change in these two values. Of course, these two values becoming x square minus 1 by x square. There is no issue. If I apply this one, it will become x power 4 minus 1 by x square. Yes. If I have in these two values, in this combination, to write this value, we need to go for x square plus 1 by x square extra value for denominator, right? That is the basic concept. Okay, fine. Observe it clearly now. In the place of x minus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x can be x square minus x square. Clear? If I multiply and divide, I can get x power 4 minus 1 by x power. Logically, we will denominator power is what? X square plus 1 by x square. Logically, it will become, x square plus 1 by x square will be there for it. Of this value, of course, this value can be replaced here, right? Again, we can get x power 4 plus 1 by x power value reciprocally. Logically, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. Don't confuse all of you. A plus b into again a minus b. Why? Because already we have plus value, right? We are getting extra x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. In the place of these two values, I can write this total value. Clear cut story. Of course, again a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. X power 4 whole square will be a power m whole power n will be a power mn. Logically, is x power 4 whole square means 8 times, right? Okay, I'm getting x power 8 minus 1 by x power 8. Don't confuse all of you. Forget these total values. By multiplying these two values and divide with the x square plus 1 by x square, I'm getting x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. After multiplying this value again, it will be x power 8 minus 1 by x power 8. Again, x power 8 minus 1 by x power 8 becomes x power 16. Yes or no? X power 16 minus 1 by x power 16 will be there. Again, we have to multiply with x power 16 plus 1 by x power 16. Logically, again a square minus b square. 16 whole power 2, x power 32 minus 1 by x power 32 will be there. Again, we need to multiply, apply whole square. Logically, the final task is what? Very simple task. Only x square plus 1 by x square is enough to get the value as what? X power 64 minus 1 by x power 64 whole by x square plus 1 by x square. Basic rule, don't confuse all of you. By multiplying these two terms, I am getting x square minus 1 by x square. After multiplying, dividing with x square plus 1 by x square and x square plus 1 by x square value, I am getting x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. These two particular values. Whenever you have x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4, that should be multiplied to x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Again, I am getting x power 8 minus 1 by x power 8. Already we have x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8, right? The total value becomes x power 16 minus 1 by x power 16 again. Again, if I multiply these two values, again we are getting x power 32 minus 1 by x power 32. Again, a plus b into a minus b. The final answer is what? X power 64 minus 1 by x power 64. By x square plus 1 by x square is in the first attempt. What we have done? X square plus 1 by x square should be divided. That's it. The final task is what? X power 4 minus 1 by x power 64 by x square plus 1 by x square. The best option is what? I think second option, right? X square plus 1 by x square. That's it. Make it simple. Don't make it as complicated. Be alert. After dividing with x square plus 1 by x square, I am getting a plus b into a minus b whole square formula. Very simple task. Of course, for every question we will have different stories, but don't confuse. It is algebra. It is not related to any scientific theory. It is depend on what? The formulas. Algebra belongs to formulas. If you go for geometry, basic rules and regulations are enough. But if you go for this one, formula based, identity based. Identity means what? A plus b whole cube formula, or else a plus b whole power 2 formula. In the same way, we will have so many formulas. A cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to, we have 3 ABC value. When we have 3 ABC value, a plus b plus c equal to 0. In this particular situation, we will have different theorems according to that, can leave it. But in this case, only simple concept. A plus b into a minus b is enough for simplification value. X power 64 minus 1 by x power 64 by x square plus 1 by x square is the final task. Don't confuse. Observe it properly. Don't waste your time. Okay. We'll have so many questions. Let's go for the next question now.